Hey guys, Chad with New England Homesteaders here. It is September 1st and it is bunny breeding time. Let's see if we can get this done. Alright, so this is Oakley here, and we're hoping that he can get the job done. He's a proven buck, and we're basically going to take him and move him over here. No?
Move her over.
Ah, okay, so this is Oakley. This is Oakley's house. And this is Aspen's house. So we're going to take her and move her into his place and see if she's receptive and gets the job done. So I'm going to hand the phone to Jackson. Let's see if we can get her out of here. See how she does. Wow, get right to business. She didn't lift her butt though, huh?
That one she did.
Did she?
Yeah, she did. See how her tail went up?
Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, her tail's up. Alright. Wrong end, bud. There you go. One more. Come on. She's ready. Look, she's ready for you. There we go. There we go. Come on. 3 times. So should we leave them together a little bit longer, you think?
I guess.
Alright, so that was 3 times. She still seems receptive. What do you think, Oakley? Did you get it done? It looked like it. Nice little cuddling afterwards. Little bunny loving. You whispering sweet nothings.
You can probably
Guess 3 times, I guess that's it. Alright, so let's see if we can get her out of there. We'll bring her back again later. So you think we should put her in again later?
Mm-hmm.
Here, bud. I wonder if we need to do some claw trimming on her.
Yeah, probably.
Alright, well that was pretty easy. Alright, so this is the chicken tractor that we built that you saw in the last video. And we had, forget how many we had in here. Probably close to 100, and they grow so fast. Might be still a few more to pull out of here, but I'm moving them twice a day, so it's working pretty well. But what I did with the others that were in the brooder still is I brought them out here and I put them in this smaller chicken tractor, which is basically just a draggable frame that has a shelter, and they're not enclosed, they're just enclosed with the fence. So the fence is pretty hot. I would say probably 4,000 to 5,000 volts probably. My one portable charger that I made right over there that you saw in the last video is powering both of these fences. It's about a 1.4 joule or something like that. So we've got probably, I don't know, maybe 60 chickens or so in here, maybe a few more than that. and then there's probably about 80 or 90 in the other one. So I may still pull a few more out of the chicken tractor and move them in here, because we've got 2 more weeks to go. I don't know if you guys are Walking Dead fans, but you should see these guys when I come out here with buckets. They all rush the fence, and they just charge and keep charging forward to the point that the fence falls down, and then they can walk over it. It's pretty crazy. They look just like zombies marching to get food. I've added a couple more feeders in here, and I've got a small waterer over there behind. I think it's about a 3-gallon, and then I've got the 5-gallon bucket hanging on the back of this one with those nipples that I got on Amazon. Just drilled the bucket with some Teflon tape, and it's worked out perfect. So it's pretty amazing. I think this is probably more the way that I'm going to go next year. I may put a scarecrow out here. I follow Justin Rhodes. If you guys have seen his videos, he did something similar and just used a scarecrow. As far as I know, we haven't lost any yet. We do have owls and hawks in the area, but I haven't seen any. And it's not to say they're not here watching what's going on, but I haven't seen any. So I may go this route next year because they're a lot more active. These birds have to walk around to get feed and come back and get water. And look at these guys over here reaching through the fence. The fence isn't on right now. I'm charging the battery, but they're reaching through the fence to eat grass. Let's go take a look and see that. What are you guys doing? Getting some fresh grass? Pretty tasty? Oh, here comes the rest of the crew to see what's going on. Think you guys are missing something? Sorry, wasn't bringing any food yet. It's a little early. These guys are pretty mobile. They're getting around pretty good. Look at them run. Craziness. But definitely, happy, healthy chickens equals healthy, delicious food. So these guys are doing pretty well out here in pasture. I think this is definitely the way to raise them. So we did 150 this year. I've got 100 of them already sold, and that leaves about 50 for us and to sell retail. I basically sold the first 100 to my friends at my estimated cost, and then they're going to come help process all of them. So at a cost of $4 to $5 per bird to process, getting a pretty good deal. That was just a quick video today. Check out the rabbit. That was our first attempt at rabbit breeding. We're going to put them together again tonight. Just see if they do it again, kind of seal the deal, make sure that everything worked, and stay tuned. I guess in about 6 weeks, 8 weeks, I think maybe. It's when the babies are born. I'll check with Jackson, I can't remember. And then the babies are ready for sale, harvest, processing around 8 weeks. So we'll see how we do with this first batch. Stay tuned, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.